I'm going to share with you my famous recipe for mushrooms. We got lucky because we were given those morels that I am going to cook with sour cream and finish. I have a 15-year-old Armagnac, which is fairly close to cognac, so that should give some good flavor. And of course onions. You can use eshallot, but I've never found a big difference. So let's go ahead. So first, starting the onion with this special olive oil which is coming from the garden of a friend. Okay, the onions have cooked a little bit and now I am ready to put the morels inside the pan. You can notice it's a copper pan. I like copper pans because you have an even heat inside for cooking. There are multiple recommendations to cut the morels. I've only cut them in half because I think that they present much better in the plate, so the small ones are not cut at all. Now that the onions have softened, it's time to put the mushroom in the pan. As you can notice, I have copper pans because it's better for cooking. You get a nice heat all inside the cooking pan. I've cut the morels only in half because I think they present much better in the plate. So the small ones are not cut at all and the larger one are cut in half. And just put them in the pan. There we go. And back to cooking. Now that the morels are brown, almost golden, the secret of my recipe is to add the sour cream. This is what makes it absolutely delicious in my mind. And then just a little bit of cognac. You need to be very careful not to put too much because that gives a lot of flavor. Hop. This is it. And then you stir so that you coat properly the mushrooms with the sour cream. Et voilà, it's finished and cooked. You can put in the dish also some rice. The sour cream with the rice is absolutely delicious. So now let's enjoy the dish. Thank you for watching this video.